Hello my good people, welcome back into my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a different video about I'm going to put wallpaper on my kitchen countertops. I'm going to put wallpaper. I want to change this look to a different look that I will show you shortly. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe before watching. Support this lady. Let's grow together. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate a lot for always coming back to watch my videos. So first, I'm going to wipe all the countertops. Then we will start by putting the wallpaper. I'm doing it myself. And I know it's not easy. It's not easy placing a wallpaper. It's not easy at all. It was a hassle for me to do it, but at the end of it, it came out perfectly. What do you think, guys, on the comment section? Comment and tell me what do you think. Did I do a good job? Is it a clean job or it looks messy? Just tell me. Comment down below and tell me what do you think. Did I do a good job? Like a neat job? Does it look good? Just comment down below and let me know. So kindly enjoy watching the video and subscribe. Share this video to as many people as you can. And I will appreciate a lot. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Sit down, relax, and enjoy the video.
I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the